Lesson 4. The present participle clause. Listen to 4 conversations using the present participle clause. Conversation 1. 2 people in an office talk about a new team member. What will they explain at the meeting?
Who is the woman sitting next to Joe?
Oh, that's Beth. She's the new project manager.
Oh, really? Huh. I didn't know anything about her.
Yeah, there'll be a meeting tomorrow explaining her new role.
Well, she seems like a nice person.
Yeah, from what I hear, she's a lot of fun to work with.
Question 4.1. What will they explain at the meeting? The answer is Beth's new role. Conversation 2. 2 people talk in the break room. What happened to the cookies?
There were some cookies sitting here. What happened?
Sorry, I ate them.
What? You ate them? Why?
Well, I know they weren't mine, but I saw the box sitting there and they just looked so good.
Well, next time, could you not eat all of them?
Yes, next time I'll try to keep my appetite under control.
Question 4.2. What happened to the cookies? The answer is the woman ate them. Conversation 3. 2 people talk about a recent movie. What was the movie about?
There's a new movie playing downtown.
Oh yeah? What's it about?
It's about a woman dealing with racism throughout her career.
Oh yeah, I heard some people talking about that. I hear it's really good.
Yeah, I hear it's great. Do you want to join me?
Yeah, I'd love to go.
Question 4.3. What was the movie about? The answer is racism. Conversation 4. 2 people talk about a new festival. What does the woman want to eat?
There's a festival going on this week. You want to come?
Yeah, I'd like to. I heard there's going to be lots of booths selling international food.
Yeah, supposedly. They're going to have food from all over the world.
That's awesome. I'd love to go. Are they going to have Chinese food?
From what I hear, let's go.
I'm in. Let's do it.
Question 4.4. What does the woman want to eat? The answer is Chinese food.
Thank you for watching. Grab your free worksheet and book by clicking the link below. Visit elo.org to access thousands of free English lessons, anytime, anywhere. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you in the next one.